Jai Gurudev children, I hope you are all doing good. Did you learn lesson 1 missions and computer? Do practice regularly. Now we move on to the lesson 2 uses of computer. The computer is a smart machine because it can do the work very fast and it never gets tired. You all know the meaning for fast. It means very speed, and it never gets tired means what? If you all do some work, you feel very tired and sleepy, but computer never gets tired and it never makes mistakes. That is, when you are writing in the classwork or PW notebook, you will do some mistake, no? But computer will never do any mistakes. It work on our command. Whatever command we are giving, it will do correctly. A computer can do many things for us. I told you, no? We can see one by one what we can do using the computer. That is, we can draw using computer. You can play games in computer, and even you can watch movies in computer. It can also play music for us. That is, we can listen to the music in computer. How many of them listen music in computer or play games or watch movies? Yes, you all know that we can listen to the computer or you can listen to music in the computer. It can also solve sums for us. In those days we will be using the calculator for doing addition and subtraction or any mathematical work, any complicated work if you want to do, we will be using the calculator. Nowadays we can do the sums using computer. A computer is used at many places, say for example at office, at even home. Nowadays in all of our home we are having computer or laptop or smartphone or tab, like that we have any form of computer. And even at bank also we are using the computer. You all know ATM machine. How many of them know about ATM machine? Did you see your father or mother are taking the money from the ATM machine using the ATM card? Yes, correct. You can deposit also. You can withdraw the money in the ATM machine. And even at the railway station they are using the computer for reserving the tickets. Not even in the railway station, in airport also they are using the computer. And we can send emails through computer. That is, we can send the messages using the computer. In those days we will be writing the letters or postcards for sending the message, and that next one we used a phone. Nowadays we are using mobile phone also, and we can use the mail also to send the message to your friends or relatives, or even for the office purpose also you can send mail. And next is railway station, we saw already. Computer is used at library to maintain the stock list, and even in the school administration part to maintain your details, student details, we will be using the computer. So remember children, computer can do many things for us and is used at many places, and it never gets tired, but it works on our command only. So remember, the computer is a smart machine. Thank you children. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.